To the world of women's fashion, discover the latest trends today. This season, bold colors are in style. Embrace vibrant hues everywhere. Layering is key for chic outfits. Mix textures for a stunning look. Floral prints are making a comeback, perfect for spring and summer vibes. Don't forget about accessories. They elevate any outfit effortlessly. Casual chic is a must-try style. Think comfort with a trendy twist. Maxi dresses are versatile for any occasion. Dress them up or down easily. Tailored blazers add sophistication. Perfect for work or evening outings. Denim is timeless and trendy. Explore different cuts and styles today. Statement shoes can transform your look. Choose bold designs to stand out. Athleisure is here to stay. Comfort meets style in everyday wear. Don't shy away from patterns. Mix and match for a unique flair. Sustainable fashion is trending now. Choose eco-friendly brands and styles. Accessorizing with hats adds flair. Explore different styles for fun. Layering necklaces creates a chic look. Experiment with lengths and styles. Belted outfits enhance your silhouette. Highlight your waist beautifully. Explore vintage styles for inspiration. Retro looks are making waves. Fashion is about self-expression. Wear what makes you feel confident. Stay updated with fashion influencers. They inspire new outfit ideas daily. Now go out and explore your style. Fashion is waiting for you.